3 keys to letting and allowing, finally the mystery of how to let solved. If you're like me, I always heard to let and allow the good into your life when you're trying to manifest, but I was like, well, how do I let? Like, how do I allow? How do I even actually do that? So in today's video, we're going to cover 3 easy, simple tips that you can follow as soon as today to let and allow your good into your world, which is going to help you manifest a lot more desires into your results and different things in your life. Before we jump into today's video, as always, throw a like on the video. It's going to send it out to a lot more people, and together we can raise the consciousness of this planet, make it a little bit more of a positive world by helping people become aware, self-aware of who they truly are. After you do that, go ahead and click subscribe on the channel and then click the bell icon as well to get notified when we send out more great manifestation content, how-to methods, techniques, literally everything that you're going to need around manifestation for the rest of your life. And if you feel up to it, or you know some people that like personal development, share this video. Get out to more people. Let's share it with the world and allow people to hear these messages and allow them to grow in their awareness. Let's do it together here. 3 keys, okay? Letting, allowing. First principle. What is letting and allowing in the first place? What is this? How do we do it, or anything? We want to understand the opposite. That's a great way to start, the contrast. The opposite of letting, allowing is resistance, okay? Resistance basically is we are self-imposing our own resistance to our manifestations, our desires, whatever it is, okay? So all of this takes place in our thought. Letting, allowing takes place in our thought. Resistance takes place in our thought. And thought is the connecting link between the spiritual realm and the physical realm. Okay, so it's pretty important. If you want your answers, if you want your prayers to be answered, if you want your desires, you want a lot more money, you want a lot more success, you want a lot more love, abundance, whatever it is, we have to really connect to the source of where all this comes from, and that's universe itself, right? That divineness, that universal side of us. And since thought's the connecting link between the universal and the physical, our results, it's really important to have that connecting link in the most empowering, aligned way that we possibly can have to actually get the physical results that we're looking for. Great thing to keep in awareness as we move forward here. So resistance takes place in our thoughts. What are resistant thoughts then? Resistant thoughts are basically opposing what we want. So when people are not great at letting and allowing, they're great at resisting. Okay, so they say, I just now received $10,000, or I want to manifest a dream house or a dream car, whatever it is. But their mind is obsessing over, how's it going to happen? This is never going to happen for me. Where's the money going to come from? The dream home is too much money for me. Right? So it just keeps going and going and going. When's it going to come? Where's it going to come from? Constant questioning. Well, essentially, that's opposite to you feeling as if your manifestation is already completed. And if you already know manifestation, that's how we manifest. We manifest through our energy, through our expectation, through what we're feeling. The feeling is the activation. Feeling is the secret. Feeling is the key. So if I'm wanting a dream house or dream car, I want $10,000, but I feel that it's not going to happen, or it's not here right now, I'm adding resistance into the manifestation actually coming. So again, I think I want this, but my feeling opposes. My feeling says it's not here. This isn't going to work out. When's it going to come? It's not happening, right? So it's opposite. So I'm resisting my own progress. Letting and allowing takes place in your thought. Letting and allowing essentially is your thought and feeling is aligned with where you want to go. So if you say, I want $10,000 to be manifested, when you're letting and allowing, it says, it feels here. Done deal. The universe always delivers on time to me. Things are always working out in my favor. This manifestation process always works so well and easily for me. Right, so those thoughts are aligned with the end result, the end scene we're seeing in imagination. We feel it to be done deal. We feel it and expect it to happen in our lives, which allows the thing to come to us. So hopefully that's the simplest thing you've ever heard around letting, allowing. Again, it was such a mystery for me. Nobody seemed to really want to explain this, right, in that kind of way. But really, it's resistance, letting and allowing all takes place in our thought. It's that simple, okay? So basically, what should we be doing? What are techniques to let and allow? There's going to be 3 keys that we provide here in this video as we move forward. Just before I do the 3 keys, comment below your manifestation, something like, I just now received my record income this month. Go ahead and type that below in the comments. I just now received my record income this month. What it's going to do is when you type that out and you click enter, it's going to activate it into the universe because you're actually getting out of your own mind, putting it into writing. And when you do that, you're unconsciously visualizing or consciously visualizing and pressing this image, this idea at a feeling level into your subconscious mind. And that's how these manifestations actually happen. Very essential. So make sure you have that in the comments below before we move forward. Again, it's going to start to activate that income level in this month for you. So 3 keys here as we go through this. Number 1, we want to have our thoughts dominate gratitude thoughts for future and current manifestations that are already yours energetically. So instead of thinking, how's it going to come? Where's it going to come? There's no way this thing's going to come, right? Instead of thinking those resistant thoughts, think a thought like, I'm a spiritual being living in this physical body with a mind. I'm a spiritual being living in this physical body with a mind. I am thankful to the universe for delivering all my manifestations to me in a very record timing manner. I am thankful to the universe that money comes my way from the infinite storehouse of riches every moment of every day. So pick a phrase and you dominate your mind around that phrase of gratitude or self-recognition, which would be, I'm a spiritual being living this physical body with a mind, okay? When you're thankful for future manifestations before they come, or current manifestations in your life, or even past manifestations, you're already being connected to what's already yours energetically. And all future manifestations are really here and now in the energetic side. Okay, they're all present here and now. There's no time, so past, present, future in infinite awareness. It's just all now. So it's already yours energetically. You want to be thankful and grateful ahead of time before these things come into your life. Past, present, or future gratitude works just fine. And that's a great way of doing this. Second thing you want to follow here is realize there's a thing called the bridge of happenings, bridge of incidents, bridge of unfolding events, whatever you want to call it, okay? These bridge of incidents are saying, as soon as I activate my manifestation, as soon as I put out my intention and feel it to be true today, the universe and I are co-creating a series of incidents, events, and happenings in my life to connect me between now and actually receiving my manifestation. Those bridge of incidents might be a person calling out of the blue, an old prospect you had years ago ready to work with you now, an intuitive idea that comes to and through you that you're ready for at the right time. You check out the grocery store and you see a message on a magazine that was the right time to see that message, and something clicks in your mind to go do a certain project in your business or in your personal life or whatever that might be, right? So there's a million different possible happenings and events and different things. You want to understand, as soon as you activate, as soon as you see in your imagination what you want and an end scene as if you already have it, feel it to be true today, it's starting in motion these bridge of happenings to actually occur in your life. So after you visualize, you open up your eyes, you realize it's not magic, nothing's supposed to pop out of thin air, but instead it's letting you realize that things are now in motion for you to receive what you want. And that's how you don't have to say, how's it going to come, where's it going to come from? So the universe is providing me the happenings and events to allow me to actually receive this thing. It's an incredible approach and allows you to really move things forward, all right? Third key here is don't search. I mean, I used to do this all the time. Is it over here? Is the money going to come from here? Is the new client going to come from here? Is the new sale going to come from here, right? My mind was constantly, where's it going to come from? Like we've already discussed a little bit, but really in search mode. I had like these goggles on, like trying to look for my manifestations to come. Instead, work on following your intuition today. So your intuition is your heartfelt feeling. It feels right. It feels like home. It feels like inspired action. It feels like a bigger purpose. It feels like increase. It feels like positive. So go ahead and sit down for maybe 30 seconds in a day and listen into your intuition. See if you have any ideas that come into motion. Feel if you have any hunches or inspirations that come to your mind. And as you have these hunches, act on those. It could be a new project in your business. It could be a new setup for something in your personal life. It could be a new, whatever it is. Intuition's going to guide you. It's going to be the idea. Now, how do you know what's intuition and what's not? Again, it's that heartfelt feeling. Intuition is always going to be for increase, not decrease. Okay, intuition comes from the universe, so it's pure love and goodness rather than hatred, envy, jealousy, any of those negative emotions. So intuition's not going to feel like a Red Bull, like excitement. It's just going to feel like a warm, good feeling like this, I know I need to do this. I know this is my next step. It's like an inner knowing. So instead of searching for your manifestations, let and allow your manifestations to come to and through you by actually following your intuition, listening to it, and then acting upon the ideas that follow. So again, letting and allowing doesn't have to be such a huge mystery like I used to feel like it was. I couldn't figure out how to understand it. It's really as simple as follow your inner thought pattern, not the resistant thought. You want to be in the letting and allowing thought. Your change in thought is going to make you feel good. So you pay attention to how you're feeling. That's going to know if you're letting and allowing. If you feel bad, you know you're in resistant thought. If you feel good, you're in letting and allowing thought. That's going to allow you to know, are you in the letting and allowing or the resistance mode? Of course, you want to be in the letting and allowing when you're trying to manifest what you want. Now, if you want a way more extensive approach in this, these 3 steps will work for you as you work them today, but you want a lot more in depth. You're an immersive person. You want a lot more. You want to become a master manifester. You want to manifest more money than you could possibly dream of. You want to have so much good and so much success come into your life. Try our Manifestation Accelerator course out. It's going to blow you away. We've created a system that takes all of this stuff, all of these principles, and puts them into a step-by-step approach. Every 7 days, you get a visual module that's sometimes 30 minutes, 60 minutes. It's very doable, very easy on your time, but it's very in-depth oriented. Then you're going to get an action-oriented technique and method every single week. You don't even have to think. You don't have to binge watch all videos. You don't have to do all these things. You could just literally log into your Manifestation Accelerator, go to the module that you're on for that week, watch the module, do the action item, and you're going to get results. I mean, we have over 1,500 manifestation financial wins just in the last couple of months alone in our community group, allowing people manifested within 24 hours of joining the program, $250, $700, all the way up to $3,000, $10,000, all the way up to about $15,000 in 24 hours. And then, a couple of months later, people are also already getting up into the $50,000, $60,000 marks for manifestations wise and beyond that as well. So it's a proven system. I mean, it's going to help you so easily and so effortlessly. It's easy, it's simple, effective, and fun as you go throughout the process. And then you get a truckload of bonuses that you never have to listen to another manifestation video again. You'll have everything you could ever possibly need manifestation-wise to manifest your dreams, your desires, and everything around that. One, to make it no risk for you. Try it out. Skyhawk's Manifestation Accelerator, 7-day free trial. Okay, try it out. If you love it, stick with it. If you don't, just cancel. You just click cancel, one button in your dashboard and you're good to go. So there's no financial risk. There's no risk to you. It's literally just try it out, get into it. I guarantee you're going to want to stay into it for life. Every single week for months and years, you're going to have the exact things you're going to need step by step. And don't worry, it sounds like a lot, but it's bite-sized chunks, simple and easy, effective moves that you can utilize today. And all of our members are just blowing their results out of the water. I mean, some people have been able to over 15 times their income, financial wins, and success in their business just by following the modules. It's that easy. Of course, you have to do the work. This is not magic. It's not you just invest in a program and you're going to win. No, you got to invest and then you got to do the action items. It's some tough love here of like, you can't just invest money and expect your world to change. This is not some gimmick. It's a real thing. It's a real system. And any system, you have to actually use the system to get the results. Try it out right now. The link is below in the description there. Try it out 7 days. Just insert your information and we'll send you the program right away. If you love it, keep going with it. If you don't, just cancel it. You're good to go. But I guarantee you're going to love it. I guarantee you're going to want to stick with this. In our manifestation community, we have like a soul tribe, if you will. We have a spiritual family. They all work together. Everyone's manifesting, everyone's encouraging each other, everyone's helping each other with their wins and their manifestations. You can be part of a better dynamic manifestation group here in our community. So again, sign up below for the 7-day free trial. Make sure you're enrolled, make sure you're there, try it out, see where it takes you. And the worst that you can have is you tried something out for 7 days and then spend $1 on it. The best you could have is your most fulfilling, easiest financial manifestation month of your life. So I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Join in right away. Make sure you're enrolled and good to go. And my team and myself will be there right in your corner throughout your manifestation journey.